record information. If it is a SAP source system, it will provide the information for record. Here we have activated this. Now you have to go to DTP and execute the DTP. Refresh it, and data loading is completed. We have uploaded 30 data here, so QM status is green. Here you can see the QM status, it is green. And in order to monitor a data administrator, so administrator data target is there. You have to click this directly to see the data, and you have 30 records transferred and 30 added. And here you have to check this with the standard DSO and go to contents. See the field selection. So there is no data here. The reason behind that is we haven't activated the data source yet, because it is a standard DSO. You need to activate the data source every time you load the data in order to get it available. So you have to go to the manage. Here you can see the request for reporting. It is not available here. The request number is available, but it is not still available for reporting, and ID of the request generation is not generated. So for that one you have to activate this. Here there is the activate button. Yeah, here you can see activate all requests or select requests. In case there are 3-4 requests and you want that particular request to be activated, you have to select that request and start activation. So here you can see the program is successfully scheduled. In order to see the job, there is an option called jobs. If you want to see the program while executing, you can click the jobs option here and you execute this simple job selection, and here it is active. If you want to monitor it, you can monitor it by refreshing. You can see it is taking the duration. So when it is finished, that means the job is finished successfully. When you refresh it here, you will get the icon here. It means the request is ready for reporting, and you got the ID for the request generation here. So now it is available. Go to field selections and select the fields you want. and here we can see the profit for sales. Here the profit for sales, profit after sales is 3000. The customer has bought 500 4 quantity, and each material cost 500. So the say after sales amount we got is 5000, and the profit is 3000 from that, and it is the same for, I mean, in that there is the same procedure for all the materials, all the records, and this is our final report. No, this is not a final report, means this is our output for now. There is a transaction called I will give you the transactions later. There are few important transactions I need to discuss with you, and I will make a document with that for that, and I will pass on to you. And for now we have for example, okay, we will see the report on this, a simple report on this as well before we go. So you go to RRMX backslash O RRMX directly from here, and you directly go to the RRMX instead of going to the I mean programs, start programs. That way you can directly go from this way, and here you can go to tools and create new query, and you can give the credential here. Until now, do you have any doubts, guys?
No, I don't. I would like to maybe tomorrow just go through all the different variables on the formula piece of it.
Yeah.
Under the transformations.
Okay. And you have you had another doubt, right? So here in a query screen we have to click create query, new query, and you had a doubt that everything was showing like this in
Yes. So on the customer identity where we created the info object,
yeah,
it appears as info queue
yeah,
under X.
yeah, that is I mean that is how it is showing in this system, but it is not the same in all the systems. Maybe they I mean they have to apply some notes. SAP notes are there. For example, there are few functionalities which we need to update. So in that case we have to, if we are a vendor, if we are a customer of SAP, we have to contact them, and even in your job, if you got any problem, you have to contact the SAP. If you are a senior consultant, then what they will do is to give you solution. I mean you can see you can before that you can check yourself with the I mean what is the error, and what are the notes available. If there is some patch, some note which needs a installation, there are few notes which need a workaround, and there are few notes which need a installation, hardware installation, I mean software installation. In installation case, you have to inform to the basis consultants, and they will do the installation. And if there is a some workaround which suggested by SAP, in that case you have to apply that note yourself.
Okay.
So here we have created, now which one we have here, this one, right?
Yeah.
So this is the only key part we have. We got this. You have to drag and drop them. In data part we have material number and invoice number. We can keep it in free characteristics. and drop all of the key fix. All these key figures are kept in columns. One, two, three, four. Okay, so after that you have to save this. While saving, it will ask for the report name and number, I mean technical name and description. Description is the technical name should be the name of the data source. The name of our data source is ZSLS underscore DSO, I guess. So here you have a key and text part. When you click the key and text part, you have this, I mean you get the technical names and then the text. So you can now save it. Z underscore SLS underscore Q. So this is the naming convention. You have to give the name of the object underscore query name, the query number. So save it. Now it is saved. Here you get the, now you have to click continue. So this is the result of the query. Here you can see the result. So this is the report, and you have chat, and you have filter option. And when you get the filter option, you have this I mean available all of the available objects here, and you have information. You get all the information here, user information and all that, and this is about the query. And you are getting one additional row. To reduce this row, you can go to the right click and properties, and here you have all of the options here for the attributes and for this. And for master data, you can click all the attributes. For example, if you have this, right, we will suppress this, and result is default here. Why not master data? And we want the color of the material, which we didn't take, right? We didn't take that in our DSO, but what we have done is we have loaded the master data before that. So we select the color and location and OK here. So here you can get the color and location. That is the that is the beauty of multidimensional analysis. So this is the report here, and that's all for today. And let's see you guys tomorrow, same time.
Okay.
Thank you. So will have the videos for this posted soon?
Yeah, I will post it, and I will, before that I will send you